First, you have to find a piece of paper which is a square. This is a square one. Fold in this way first. It must be gentle. Fold in this way. Okay. Open it. Fold. Let this point reaches here, this line. Is it easy? Let this point reach the top here. Then fold it in this way along this line. Along this line, it must be straight. And then fold it along it in this side. Make it to be smooth. Turn it over. Fold the top in this way. Fold this top too. Fold this corner in this way. Fold this corner too. And turn it over. A perfect heart has become into being. Since this paper is white, it's not perfect. If it is a red one, it's much prettier. It's pretty simple. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much.